My name is Andrea Busato and I am one of the 18 teachers of Scuola Italiana Design. Scuola Italiana Design is a department of Galileo Park and is the first industrial design school settled in the northeast of Italy. Today, industrial design, the word design is often related to the aesthetic sphere of a product, and when people think about the designer, the role of the designer, they think that he or she is an artist or a good drawer. In our opinion, design is a multidisciplinary discipline, and when we think about industrial design, we have to think about function and not only about aesthetic. We have to think about target, we have to think about needs, because today we don't design product, but we rather satisfy needs. And this is the most important thing to describe what industrial design is today.
How important is nowadays the environmental aspect of industrial design?
Eco-design is the future of industrial design, because we have to think that our product have a life, like a human have a life, and we have not only to design the born of a product, but also his death, and how we can recycle this product, we can dispose this product for creating also other product on other services.
What is the role of new materials in industrial design?
Materials are an important part of the design process, because materials gives life to our product, and the new materials are absolutely one of the most important points for creating innovative product and so for creating innovation.
I'm Marco Franchin. I'm the person in charge of MaTech. MaTech is the department of Science Park Galileo, located in Padova, in northeast of Italy, dealing with new materials. We are a consulting center on new materials that support manufacturing company in developing new products.
What is the role of new materials in industrial design?
New materials play an important role in industrial design, because we have seen that it is important to take into account the function of a product, and there are many materials that have functional properties, and this material can transmit these properties to the whole product. So for the designer, the selection of the right material is very, very important.
How does MaTech identify and classify new innovative materials?
What we do is technology scouting. In other words, since our foundation, we have been traveling all around the world and visiting international fairs, technology transfer centers, in order to detect and identify materials and technologies related to materials that are already available on the market. I mean, these materials are already developed and sold by at least one company in the world. We bring these materials in Italy. We design and build as a database of new materials, and then we use our knowledge about these materials to do technology transfers, to transfer these materials and these technologies to our manufacturing companies.
What do you expect to be the materials of the future?
We are speaking about smart packaging, smart materials, smart labels, so are all materials that can give us additional information about the content, for example, we are speaking about food and beverage packaging, more information about food and beverage. There are also new generation of bioplastics, biopolymers, I mean polymers made bio-based, polymers that are biodegradable and or compostable. There are also other polymers, for example, retaining shape polymers, polymers that can maintain the shape, and they are revolutionary.